Good everyone, welcome to Lucky Digital World. Today I will be teaching you how to create whiteboard animation. Firstly, go to your browser, type www.renderforest.com/template/whiteboard animation toolkit. So it will take you to this page. And when you get to this page, click on create now. Processing. Create new video. Click start from scratch. There are many characters. Different characters depends on the one you want. You can add more than two scenes. You can add many scenes. Click on the character you want. Click on insert. Click on add text to add your text. Then to add another scene, click on this plus sign. Click on it, click on insert. Click on add text, type in your text. Then you see at the top different stages. Then click on the second stage to choose your how you want. Choose overall look and feel animation. Choose from either boardroom or wallpaper. Then click on the next stage. Color. And choose your color, your preferred color. Go to music, the next stage. If you want to add music, you click on add music to add your music. But I don't want to add music. And click on the next stage. Click on fast review. Processing. Video is in queue. It's exporting now. It's exporting. Exporting. Then you can click on the play button to see your work. So if you want to download what you've created, just press it, then you can download. So that is how to create whiteboard animation. Thank you. God bless you.